Adding videos to your website inside of SiteStacker is very fast and easy. Just go to your SiteStacker administrative desktop, click on the video management icon that launches the window for video management, and then click the Manage Videos link. Now, if you are an administrator of multiple sites, you can actually select which site you want to manage videos for. If you're an administrator for just one site, then of course you would only have the option to administrate videos for that particular site. So from this window you could select a site to manage the videos. Every site gets its own unique categories and videos for video management. A couple of things you can do from here. First of all, you can set up a category structure for your videos. Now you can have any category underneath the videos folder is a root, what we call a root level category, or you could then add a sub-level category into an already existing category. So in order to add a root level category, I right-click on the videos folder and I simply click the add category off of the power menu there, and then that would add a category right here into the videos folder. And then if I wanted to add a subcategory into a currently existing category, like I have a category here that says Who is CEF, and I want to add a new category inside of that folder, I would right-click on the Who is CEF folder, and then I would click on the Add Category folder, and that will launch a little Add Category window where I just type in the name, publish status of the category. Now if I put unpublished, that means any videos or the category itself will not show up until I publish it. And then a description for the category, and then I save and close. And then once I do that, that will add a new category into which I can start putting videos. Now, if I have a category that I want to add a new video into, I right-click on the category folder that I want to insert the video into, and I click Add a Video. Okay, now here's where I actually add a video. Now, all of the videos that get added into the system must be FLV. That is a Flash video file. And for more information on how to encode an FLV video, you can look up Flash or Google Flash or Flash Video, and you can do some research. Adobe makes the Flash product, and there are a number of software, both Adobe products and third-party, that will allow you to encode video into Flash video. But before you upload a video into this system, it must be encoded in the FLV or Flash video format. And I'll give this video a name, and this video might be called Fast Cars, and we'll give it an alias like that, and a short description. Now the short description shows up, if you remember the tutorial, from the front side of the video player. When you see the little thumbnail image, the short description shows up there, and so you have a limit to how many words you can use. A video about fast cars. Now if I kept typing like this with more words, etc. Now you see I hit my limit. Do you see the exclamation mark here? That means I have too many characters inside of the short description, and we have to limit it to a certain number of characters. And so now I've gone back to that limit. And so that's how you do that. Okay, I can publish or unpublish this video, and I can set a day that it will be published. And I can set a day in the future, just like with podcasting, when it will no longer be published. I can go off into a future year or something like this. And now, there's two types of files that I have to upload when I submit a new video. One is your thumbnail image, and our system will automatically retool any image you select for this video into the proper size and shape of a video thumbnail image. So if you need to have an image that you can use, a JPEG, a GIF, or a PNG file that you can use as an example of this video, or a representation of this video. And so I could go in, for instance, I could browse these image files, and I could pick one, and that image that I just selected will now be used as the thumbnail image to represent this video inside of the front side video player. Okay, now I also actually have to find the Flash video file, and That's where I would browse for a Flash video file, the one I'm trying to upload. I would select it, press open, and by doing this now, when I press save or save and close, the system is going to automatically upload both the thumbnail image as well as the video file, and depending on how big your file size is, especially with that video, it could be up to 20 megabytes. Anything bigger than 20 megabytes you cannot use, and so all of your videos have to be 20 megabytes or less. Now typically that will give you about 10 minutes of properly encoded Flash video, and anything larger than that will need to be edited down into segments. So if you have a 30-minute presentation, you have to edit it down into 3 10-minute segments, for instance. Okay, do I want to allow users to comment on this video? And we have the same basic configuration for commenting that we've gone over before. You can go back to the other tutorials that go more in depth on setting up commenting, like in the blog tutorial. And then I have the full WYSIWYG description of this particular video, and that of course is in the front side video player. When you're looking at the video plays on the left, and then on the right you have the description of the video. And some ideas for you here would be to type a written description, and then you might also want to link to other websites, other videos, or other articles or web pages on your site that have something to do with this video. And another idea would be, if it's a training video or something, you might have a download or a file that you would want users to download, and you could link to that file in association with this video. So there's all kinds of things you could do with this WYSIWYG or WYSIWYG description area, and that's how you could use that. Now when you save and close, that's when the upload process begins. If you have a large video, give it lots of time. Depending on your internet connection, it may take 5 or 10 minutes to complete the upload. So walk away, let it do its thing. When you come back, your video should have an icon just like this that represents that you have successfully uploaded it, and that's how you add videos to the video system.